Most of us know that that force that gets us up in the morning to do what it is that we're supposed to do is called our purpose. And of course, the question is, how do we find out our purpose? How do we find out that, how do we get to that force that is internal, that is within us, that get us excited and give us enthusiasm to get up and get going and do what it is that we need to do. And I'm repeating this for a purpose. So, well, let's see. How do we find our purpose? Very simple. There are many, many ways, but I'd like to share one that has worked for others first and then for myself. And if it helps you, then please use it. And it is to follow these steps. Number one, find out three strengths that you have. And three strengths, three gifts and talents that, number one, perhaps you know you have them, or people have told you before. People have said, you know, wow, you know, you do this so well, or, you know, I like it when you do this, or you're so special, you know, you always do these kind of things, and I really enjoy them. So step number one, find out three strengths or gifts and talents that you have that you do effortlessly. And like I said before, maybe you don't even notice, but people do notice them. Number two, once you get those gifts and talents, every morning, use at least one. So for instance, let me give you some examples. Okay, for some people is to create relationships is very easy. To organize things, to sing, to write, to cook, to sew, to play piano, to play music, to create relationships, to have conflict and just, you know, convert it into harmony. Many, many gifts to read, to shop even. So look at those gifts and talents, and every morning, just ask every early in the morning a question such as, what would I be using today that is part of my purpose? And you will be surprised to see that you get up and for some reason you'll get that answer and you'll use it. And then that force is like a fire within you that begins to work and give you and recharge you. And number three, to recognize that once you are able to use your purpose every single day, that force multiplies. And when it multiplies, then you get this desire to share it with others and to share it with the world. And in my case, sharing any of my gifts and talents with the world has been an amazing experience, an amazing exercise to multiply that force within that is called purpose. Because I understand that we were created for a purpose first, and then we were created. In other words, our Creator said, you know, I need Mary because I need to solve this situation, or I need her or him to do this for the rest of the world. And so I'm going to create her or him and then send them there to get to work. And so I like that analogy. It could be an analogy, it could be a story, but I really like it because every morning I get up thinking, okay, I was created for a purpose. And when I use it, I become enthusiastic, I become joyful, I become fired up. And so what is my purpose then? Is to find out what are my three gifts, use at least one every day, and share it with others and with the world. Very easy. It keeps me fired up, enthusiastic, and joyful. And I would say that's our purpose on earth.